Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a animated outro using Canva. I'll be right back after the intro. So the first thing you do is go to the Canva site, canva.com, click create a design, search up YouTube outro, wait for it to load. Click on it. For it to load. As you can see, there's templates right here, but I'll be showing you how to make one from scratch. So first thing, so you click on elements to get the shapes. Scroll down to shapes. Click a rectangle, a square. Make it into a rectangle. Here. Copy this. Paste it. Okay, now you need the circle. Okay, you're done with this. Now we need the background. I'll put it as black. And the shapes, what color for them? Let's see. I want an orange. I want what kind of orange? Let's see. F7A00. I'll get this orange from this one too. And this one. Okay. Next, we need some gifts. Arrow gif. Loading. Let's see. I'll take this one. Smaller. Copy that. Paste it. Okay. Now we need the subscribe gift. Waiting for it to load. I'll use this one. Make it a bit smaller. Move it. Oh, it's glitching. Make it like bigger. Now we're done with this. Now reading some text. Where do I get this text? This. Click add a heading. Thanks for watching is what I'll put in mine. I messed that up. Okay, let me just change this spelling error. I put watching twice. Okay. Thanks for watching! Exclamation point. I don't really like this font. Let me change it. Loading. My internet sucks. I don't want the font to be too complicated. Let's just search Open Sans and see what shows up. Open Sauce Semi Bold looks good. Let's use that one. I wonder why it's called Open Sauce. Worst internet ever. Let's see, any other I want? No. Open Sauce Semi Bold looks good. I'm gonna add is click to watch more. Click to watch more. Oh, it was not typing. It was okay. And exclamation point. I need to fit both at the top. I change the sizing to 60. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to change the font for this one. Open Sauce Semi Bold. Oh yeah, there's still space. Let's see, let's try 69. Ooh, let's see if it was gonna work. color white is boring. Let's see. I'll use the same I use for shapes. Number FF7800. Oh, I wanted to look 3D just like this. I'll just go into effects, shadow. I want a different shadow. Maybe a red. FF1616. Okay, the direction. Okay, put at 160. And I'll put it for this one too. 160. 170, whatever. And I'll use the same red for that one. The red was FF1616. Oh yeah, I think that's all. Now we just need to we need to animate it. Which one looks good? Block. It only works. It only does it in the text. Fade. Okay. Pan. Rise. Tumble. Okay. I'm still between choosing rise or pan. I'll choose pan. Okay, the length I need maybe 16 seconds because our chose are 15 seconds. I'll give it an extra second for the translation. Now click download video to download it. MP4 high quality video and download. Preparing your design. Design is the silent ambassador of your brand. A quote by Paul Rand. I don't know who that is. Maybe it's probably like some famous person, businessman or something like that. Let's wait for this to load. Now it's done. It's done loading. It's already automatically downloaded it now, and that should be all.